A symphony of technology innovation at your fingertips. Audi SUVs are packed with advanced technology. The virtual cockpit replaces traditional gauges with a customizable digital display. This screen shows important information right in front of the driver. The MMI infotainment system is controlled through a touchscreen display. This system integrates navigation, entertainment, and communication features. You can connect your smartphone for hands-free calling and music streaming. Audi also offers a suite of driver assistance systems. These systems enhance safety and convenience. Adaptive cruise control maintains a set distance from the car in front. Lane departure warning helps you stay in your lane. These features make driving easier and safer. Section 5. The Audi Q5, where versatility meets performance. The Audi Q5 is designed to cater to a wide range of driving needs and preferences, making it a standout in its class. The Audi Q5 is a popular choice in the compact luxury SUV segment, known for its exceptional build quality and attention to detail. It offers a perfect blend of practicality, performance, and style, ensuring that you never have to compromise on any front. The Q5 is available with a range of powerful engines, including a plug-in hybrid option that provides both efficiency and power. Inside, the Q5 is spacious and comfortable, featuring high-quality materials and a sleek design. There's plenty of room for 5 passengers and their cargo, making it ideal for both daily commutes and long road trips. The rear seats fold down to create even more cargo space, allowing you to transport larger items with ease. This makes the Q5 a versatile choice for families and adventurers alike, whether you're heading to the mountains or the beach. The Q5 comes standard with Audi's Quattro all-wheel drive, providing superior traction and stability. This ensures confident handling in all weather conditions, from rain-soaked streets to snowy mountain roads. The Q5 is also available with a variety of advanced technology features, enhancing both safety and convenience. This includes the virtual cockpit and the MMI infotainment system, which offer intuitive controls and seamless connectivity for an enhanced driving experience.